sell a lot of cars to Florida, Texas, California, New York. My favorite part about selling a car is the logistics challenge of it. Like I sold a car to a guy in Hawaii. We'll try to figure out how to get it from here to California, and then it's going into a belly of a bolt, and then it's getting shipped over there, and then he's going to pick it up, have fun.
Cars that need to be purchased, that usually falls on me. I'm constantly looking. I've got a lot of guys all over the country that'll call me, email me, text me, hey, ran across this car, what do you think?
Jeremy has to keep inventory coming in.
Once your name gets out there and people see us on YouTube and on the internet and Facebook and at shows all over the country, Barrett-Jackson, all these things that we do, the cars a lot of times find us. And that is where the magic starts happening.
Every day is different. You're talking to very different people every day, whether it's on the phone or here in person. Every vehicle has a different story. You need to relate that story to the customer. The overall team here mend very well together, thrive off of each other's weaknesses and strong points.